Happy 100th day of school. We have some activities for you that are going to be really fun today. This activity, you're going to need crayons, pencil, and this piece of paper from your Wait for Teacher bag. It has 100 on one side with polka dots, and it has a coloring page on the other side. So go get your materials and come back ready to listen. All right, the first thing we do is always the same. Pick up our pencil and write our name. I'm going to write my name right here where it says name at the bottom. It's kind of a small little space. Now, for this activity, you're going to need 10 different crayons, 10 crayons. So I'm going to pull mine out one at a time and count them when I count and scoot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I have 10 crayons. I'm going to put the rest of my box away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you count out 10 crayons and then we'll get started. So it says at the top, 100 dots for 100 days. That means there are 100 dots. One of these dots was each day that I saw you in school and Miss O saw you in school. Can you imagine? Now we're going to fill those in, but we're going to fill them in with groups of 10. So we're going to go by tens. 10, 20, count with me, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we need groups of 10. So pick your first crayon, and I would like you to color in 10 dots with this crayon. Color in 10 dots. I'm going to go ahead and color in my first 10 dots, and I like to go around the outside. Now, you can do the design however you want. I think I'm going to make these first 10 dots like this. I'm going to make them like little donuts. I'm going to count as I go so I don't lose track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I did 10 circles with one crayon. This crayon is done. Put it back in the box. Now I have to do 10 with the next crayon. And you can do whatever you want, but you got to fill in 10 circles somehow. This one, I'm going to do X's in this one. So 10 X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10, 20. I'm going to put this crayon away. Now I'm going to pick my next crayon, and I can fill in whichever 10 dots I want, but I have to fill them in with this crayon doing something interesting with them. I think this one I'm just going to color it all in. So I'm going to color them all the way in and count to 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, this crayon's done, putting it in the box. Now, I have the rest of these crayons. I have to do 10, and 10, and 10, and 10, and 10, and 10, and 10 in order to get this filled up and get to 100. Now, I want you, every time you color one in, I want you to be so proud of yourself for all of these days of learning, because we're proud of you. When you're finished, you can also color the back. This is just a fun coloring sheet to celebrate that you made it to the 100th day of school.